I'm at Gratz in Undrist. It's on the outskirts of the Gratz city center, is the waterworks of Gratz. At this location they have installed a 3,855 square meter solar thermal collection, which is roughly about 2.3 megawatts of flat plate panel installation. This installation is geared at supplying into the district heating system. However, during lower temperatures, there is an additional 64,000 litre buffer tank system, which is then heated by these solar panels. This installation was done by an Austrian company, Solid, and it is now in operation for more than 10 years already. In 2012, this installation was upgraded with an additional heat pump capacity as well, and the panels are extremely well insulated. This was done as an energy contracted installation. In other words, the energy is sold to the city of Gratz, and the maintenance of this installation is fully contracted by Solid. The buffer storage on this installation allows for at least about a 2.4 megawatt hour storage of thermal energy that can be made available instantaneously into the district heating grid. What is unknown for me is whether this is in fact high pressure tanks. If it is a high pressure system, those temperatures can be taken up even to about 100 degrees Celsius, which will significantly increase the amount of available thermal energy, and obviously that temperature range is also very easily achievable with your flat plate collectors. The connection of parallel and series is hydraulically balanced by the use of balancing valves. This allows an even and distributed hydraulic load of the buffer system, and as mentioned, if the temperature is high enough, it in fact feeds directly into the district heating reticulation system. That balancing of the system is critical to ensure that all the energy that can be harnessed out of this collector installation is in fact made available and loaded into our buffer storage or into the district heating grid. Success stories like these are truly inspirational, where large-scale installations like this one, which has been in operation for more than a decade, is testimony of how renewables is a reliable energy source even at large-scale thermal. It then boggles my mind how it is possible that we are still not doing larger scale installations of process heat and industrial heat, where these case studies exist in their hundreds of successful and reliable renewable thermal energy for process heating and large-scale heat applications.